Writing a will? Most people forget about these three things, and their family pays the price. The first one will shock you. Hack number 3. Name a digital executor. This is a person who can access your bank accounts, cloud storage, email, and even your crypto. Without one, your digital assets and other digital stuff can stay locked forever. Hack number 2. Get additional guardians for your kids and pets. Not just one, get 2 or 3. Things change, people change their minds, they move on. And worse, can even ghost your family. Hack number 1. Write a letter with your will. Not legally binding, but emotionally powerful. Say what you wanna say there. Your family will thank you later. If that was helpful, wait till you get more hacks on inheritance.